Alright, we're going to start with removing some of this wood trim here. All that's going to come out before we start patching and painting. So start with some of these smaller pieces. You know, it's old school when they're using the flat driver.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, this is going to tell us something. And what it tells us is they cut this wall out to fit this friggin' tank in here.
That water tank?
Yup.
That's stupid.
Well, it's done, but I agree with you. That was not smart. This can definitely come out. Yeah. So I'm going to start taking this out. And then worst case...
We'll figure something out with that thing.
But yeah, they really hacked that in there.
I mean, they really were like, we need 25 more gallons of fresh.
We gotta wash clothes. Can never leave.
Fresh, fresh, exciting.
Okay, are you ready to get?
I come bearing gifts.
Excellent, excellent.
Hammer.
Thank you, thank you.
Baggy.
Baggy.
Contractor bag.
Thank you. All right, so this corner coming out. This vent. See what they did here?
Yep.
Yeah. All that because of this.
That's so silly.
I mean, they did the best they could, finding one that barely fit. But we're looking forward to taking that out.
See, they really glued this stuff on. It's just all over the walls. This is still some of the fabric I can't get off. Alright, we got all that fabric off except for some of the backing. Found some water damage. Alright, so we've got all of the wooden blinds down. These bad boys are going to go to my stepmom, Karen, so they will get a fresh new home. Now I think I'm going to take this bad boy down. We have completely taken out the bed and the carpeting that went over it. Down in this hole, we can see that the subfloor is kind of a mess, so we need to get this entire thing out of here. That should not be like that. It looks like... Alright. It looks like we've got some subfloor issues. I think we have a little bit of rotten wood, probably from the water getting in. We have some of that in the front area as well. So we're going to be needing to put in some new subfloors in some spots. Yay! We took the blinds off of all of the windows. I just want to show you, there are so many holes that we're going to have to fill. You should see what they put together. I don't even know which owner. There's been 3 to put these blinds up. It's kind of ridiculous. Okay, it is, I think, day 3 or 4 of doing demo on the weekends, and today we're going to be taking the bed frame apart. Earlier in the video, I showed you underneath the bed where it attaches to the wall. There's some serious rot going on. And we were already planning on demoing the bed frame anyways because we want to have a different design and kind of utilize the space better. So it's okay that we're going to have to tear this all apart, but we're kind of freaked out because we don't know how much water damage there is and how much subfloor we are going to have to remove. So we're going to do that right now. We're also going to be removing the cabinet that is underneath the television. We think there's a little water damage there as well. And we're going to be removing the carpet today. Alright, ripped up the carpeting. There are some wet spots. Though they're not like, you can't tear them apart. This is wet. This is definitely wet right here. Looks like around the edges. This box will come off pretty easily once we take that thing out. This is some repair that some previous owner tried to do. Seems actually pretty dry. And there's some more over here. That's pretty dry. This is wet here. So maybe underneath there's some issues. And then there's definitely some wetness over here. So while Goran is working on the bed platform, deconstructing it, I'm going to get started on cleaning the walls. We are going to use the Krud Kutter TSP Substitute PrePaint Cleaner. And then once everything is pulled out of here that we need to pull out, and we decide what we're going to use to fill all of the holes in the walls, and all of that process is done, then I'll be ready to sand, I'll be ready to prime, and be ready to paint, which is the direction that we're going in. So I might as well just get that work done. We just took off the top of one of the bed frame cabinets, and you can see here there's water damage on the cabinet itself, and the whole cabinet smells moldy. You can see here. Goran's working away in here. So what have you discovered?
I discovered that I'm glad we took this apart because it was a real piece of crap. I'm glad I'm not sleeping on this.
Yeah, seriously. It's a real hodgepodge of pieces and stuff over the years. They've kind of cobbled together. And it's definitely holding a smell. What it is.
That's one way to put it.
What? It's holding that moldy type smell.
It stinks. That's the way I'd say.
It stinks. So getting this whole thing out of here is going to really help with making the trailer smell a little bit better. Oh yeah. What were you saying?
Yeah, they put this all together with like these little thin laminates, little shakes.
And this is the door to the outside right there, where we were having a little storage drawer. That will be redesigned. Looking better already.
Not bad, not bad. Let's see if I can get this off in one piece. I don't know how they got that together. Not accumulating meat on this.
No idea.